that spring is almost here, I should probably get started on my New Year's resolution to get organized. I just wish there was somebody who could help me do it.
Hi! I'm your major organizer leprechaun, and I'm here to grant you 3 wishes.
3 wishes? Are you kidding? Oh my gosh! Oh, this is so exciting!
What's your first wish?
Let me see. Okay, I wish that there was somebody who could help me organize all my closets.
We do that, and we will create a system that is sustainable and functional, and it's catered specifically to you and to your family.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing!
What's your second wish?
Okay, oh my gosh, second wish. Okay, let's see. World peace, $1 million. Oh my gosh. You know what? My third wish is somebody to help me organize my garage.
We do that too. And we will create zones for tools, lawn equipment, and you'll even get to park your car in there.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing! Okay.
What's your last wish?
Oh my gosh, my last wish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I wish that there's somebody who would understand who I am and not judge me for all of the clutter and the stuff that I have, because I'm very sensitive about it.
We offer a no judgment guarantee, and we are here to help you.
Happy St. Patrick's Day from Major Organizers.
San Antonio!